Hi guys, in front of me is OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select password and security, and here go to system security. Now you will notice installation sources, so just click here to open, and you can smoothly give permission for some particular application, for example Google Chrome, by tapping on this switcher. Tap on allow, and that's it. From now on you will be able to install some app via this source. Obviously you can make it for any other app. So that would be all. This is it. This is how you can activate installation of apps from unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.